Hello guys again, and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing. And today we've got this Spigen screen protector GLAS.tR Slim HD for iPhone 12 Pro and 12. Seal the screen with a 9H hardness glass TR Easy Fit with the latest and easiest technology. Oleophonic coating, real glass, perfect adhesion, silicone, 9H hardness tempered glass, delicate touch. Oh, that's nice. Everything. Well, let's open it to see what we've got inside, and of course I'm going to install it to see how lovely it will fit to my iPhone 12. Inside we're gonna find out this lovely plastic that it will help you to align perfect the tempered glass. Lens and screen cleaning wipe, dust removing, oil cleaning, quick drying, fingerprint removing, and Spigen dust removal sticker 1 and 2. And we've got a fabric to clean it, our lovely screen, and make the installation. How to remove bubbles, scan the QR code, and you will find all about it. Welcome to the Spigen world, something you want. Nice. And inside we're going to find out the glass very well. Of course, it is compatible with all Spigen cases. Now let's bring the phone. Clean it first with this dust removal sticker. As much as you can. Clean it. If you see too much, you need to use the lens and screen cleaning wipe. It is wet, nice. That it will help you to clean it better. And it smells very nice. Take this, and there we are. Now we are talking. Nice and shiny, very clean, ready for installing the tempered glass. I already have a case from Spigen. You can check right in the corner at the end of this video, the video that I made for this case. If you've got any dust, you need to take this dust removal and remove them. Now, take the tempered glass, take out the back sticker, and the case, it will help you to align it better. And just leave, and the magic, it will do the job. Press with this plastic and it will fit perfectly. Nice. And we can take this out. Let's turn it on. There we are. Oh, and it feels very smooth. Yep. Feels very nice. and you can write very well. Nice. And it's very clear. I'm sure it will last long enough, as much as you need to enjoy this phone with this tempered glass, because we've got an expensive phone and you need the best tempered glass at the market to protect this precious phone. Well, guys, that was all about this tempered glass from Spigen. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like what you like my videos, your choice, share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.